this comprehensive guide to digital marketing for beginners, we delve into the ever-evolving landscape of online promotion and brand building with insights and strategies tailored for 2024. We demystify the complexities of digital marketing, empowering newcomers to thrive in the digital realm. Discover the 11 essential methods for effective digital marketing in 2024, accompanied by real-world examples and practical tips to implement them successfully. From SEO and SEM to email and affiliate marketing, learn how to harness the power of each channel to elevate your online presence and drive meaningful results. Join us as we supercharge your understanding with an AI-based digital marketing course designed to turbocharge your degree and equip you with skills needed to excel in today's competitive market. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or aspiring marketer, this video is your roadmap to unlocking success in the dynamic world of digital marketing.